Hello friends, if you are a teacher or if you are a trainer or instructional designer or a L&D professionals or if you are working as a facilitator sometimes, I am sure this video will going to be very helpful to you. So please watch this video till end so that you will be going to understand the actual concept. Hi everyone, my name is Pankaj Sharma. Welcome to my channel Dear Life. So in this video we will be going to discuss about the few concepts of instructional design. So let's get started. Here I will be going to share with you the work in progress for my son Ishan's book. He is writing a book on LinkedIn. So you can see here that the name of the book here written, the Crush It on LinkedIn. So what he has done, the important concept of instructional design he implemented over there, that is called MECE. So what is the meaning of MECE? MECE says that whatever you are designing, it should be mutually exclusive and cumulative exhaustive. So when it comes to different concept in the book, so you can see here the headings, like number one headings, that what is LinkedIn in 2020, how LinkedIn has transformed the lives, what is the future of LinkedIn, and what to do on LinkedIn. So what is important here, whenever you are having big project or the training program or the something you are design it into the two part. Number one is called HLD. What is the meaning of HLD? HLD is called high level design. So when you do high level design means what are the big ticket items, what are the big headings are there in which you are designing, and you are segregating your entire training program. What are the important topics you will be going to cover of the session. Next important thing is called the low level design. That is called the small little component of your entire program. So what is done here in this exercise of HLD and LLD, and keeping it with the MECE, mutually exclusive and cumulative exhaustive. What he has done, he has jotted down all the important topics on the big cheat pads. You can see here the different color of cheat pads. Now what he has done, after putting it the clutter and the chunking of all the important things, he has segregated all these cheats and the slips under all these four buckets. So for bucket number one, that you can say that what is the LinkedIn in 2020. Number two is how LinkedIn has transformed the lives, the future of LinkedIn, and fourth one is what to do on LinkedIn. So his purpose is to help as much as possible people in the community so that they can actually learn how LinkedIn works and how LinkedIn can help in terms of the getting the job, in terms of creating the business and the community. So LinkedIn is one of the most important social platform for the professionals, those who wanted to learn about about the profession, about seeking for the job, and the job seekers, and even for the organization, those who wanted to have the right people on the job. So you can see a lot of profile over there. So this is what the work in progress which I wanted to show you here, that this is a concept of instructional design which says that whenever you are putting something, it should be mutually exclusive and cumulative exhaustive. So this is what the mutually exclusive, all the topics he has written, and it is cumulative exhaustive because under this each and every bucket there are multiple things are there. So for an example, if I show you here that what is the LinkedIn in 2020, he has written that LinkedIn is a platform, LinkedIn is in job, LinkedIn in organic research, LinkedIn document creation. So these are the four important exclusive topics he has taken. Say for example, now how LinkedIn has transformed the lives of the people. So he has written that my experience with LinkedIn, sharing about his own experience about LinkedIn, sharing about the Judy Fox and the Michael Alex, the experiences of multiple people there. So future of LinkedIn, he has written about the consistency and frequency which does matters on the LinkedIn. Second is called the LinkedIn stories. You will see the LinkedIn stories are there whenever you go and access to the LinkedIn, and even use it or lose it. So these are the multiple concepts he has written under this all the buckets. So I wanted to share with you these two concepts. One is called the MECE, mutually exclusive and cumulative exhaustive, and then HLD and LLD, high level design. And when you design a session, first go for high level design, and what comes under this high level design, that is called the low level design. I hope this is useful to you. If this is useful to you, use this in your training program whenever you are designing your training program and make it successful. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. If you did not subscribe to my channel, hey, please subscribe to this channel so that you will keep on getting all the notifications of the important videos. And thank you so much for watching.